Today we are baking something rich, tender and totally satisfying. Golden little mounds of buttery dough, crisp on the outside and soft on the inside. Let's get started. In a large bowl, combine 184 grams of pastry flour and 7 grams of baking powder. Add a pinch of salt, 21 grams of sugar. Give it a quick stir to evenly distribute everything. Now add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk to 113 milliliters of cold heavy cream. Stir until the mixture turns a pale yellow. Now pour the milk mixture in the flour all at once. Add in 85 grams of butter and mix until slightly sticky dough forms. Now fold in a garnish of your choosing. Now transfer the dough onto a baking tray lined with parchment. Now shape the dough into whatever form you like. It can be a rough circle or a triangle. You can leave it whole or cut it into smaller portions later, like triangles, rounds, or whatever shape you are feeling. Now pop the dough in the fridge and chill it for about an hour. Once the dough has chilled, use a 6 cm cutter to cut out your shapes. Don't worry if things are a little messy, it all comes together once they are baking. Now brush the dough with milk. Now bake in a preheated oven 220 Celsius for about 15 to 18 minutes or until they are golden brown. Enjoy!